the finish line lies ahead of him.
Ikoretwo iri thabari ya makiria mwa mwaka umwe kuma riria mutengeri Eliud Kipchoge uria unyitireire rekodi ya mahenya ma thabari ndaya mu marathon atuire itua ria kwandikithia history ya gukorwo ari mutengeri wa mbere gutengera makiria ma kilomita 40 rungu rwa mathaa meri.
Now he knows the record is his.
Gukiri uguo riu ni mathaa turatara mbere ya mutengeri uyu kurika kiharo muthenya wa rucio mucini munene wa Vienna bururi-ini wa Austria enyaine riria rirananio ta Ineos Challenge kuria aige monanitie mwihoko hari Kipchoge gukandikithia history.
This will be the first
Guko bururi-ini mihango ya gutigirira Akenya matinahitukwo ni mwago uyu no ithiete na mbere. Ministry ya mathako unyitaniri-ini na nyumba ya mishemanio ni KCC ni magathikite TV ria gakorwo ikionania ihenya riri imwe kwa imwe na gukiri uguo kuria Akenya gukeyumiria na njira nene kwirorera history ikiandikithio.
This great giant a lot as a country. And I think the least that we could do is actually continue doing what we're doing, giving him as much space and time in the media as we can, sending out encouraging messages to him so that he continues to appreciate the support that he gets from his countrymen and countrywomen. Hope that we'll all be together tomorrow morning to watch Eliud make a big step for mankind and a big step for himself and a humongous leap for all of us.
Ihinda-ini riri mashabiki kuma kona ciothe cia thi ni mekinyitie mucini munene wa Vienna matongoretio ni mutumia wa mutongoria wa bururi Rachel Ruto guku munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto agitanyo kumagara hwaini wa umuthi.
wow.
Ihenya riri ritanyitwo kwanjiriria thaa 3:15 cia rucini na kuria ceceni ya Kameme TV tugakorwo tugikurehera mwago wothe imwe kwa imwe.
From Mark Milder, the race director, he will be delighted.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV haro-ini ritwa riakwa ni Mwihaki wa Ndogo.